Ladies and gentlemen, today, I stand before you to ignite the flames of inspiration and guide you towards a path of success. The topic of our discussion is how to win the future. The future holds boundless possibilities and opportunities, but it is up to us to seize them and shape our own destinies. So, let us embark on this transformative journey together, as I share with you some powerful insights on how to pave your way to victory. Embrace change. The world around us is constantly evolving, and to win the future, we must embrace change with open arms. Instead of fearing the unknown, let us see change as an opportunity for growth and innovation. Adaptability and flexibility will be our greatest allies as we navigate the ever-changing landscape of the future. Set ambitious goals. To win the future, we must dream big and set ambitious goals. Mediocrity has no place in a world driven by innovation and progress. Challenge yourself to reach new heights, push beyond your limits, and never settle for anything less than extraordinary. Remember, greatness is achieved by those who dare to dream big. Develop resilience. The path to success is seldom a smooth one. It is riddled with obstacles, setbacks, and failures. To win the future, we must develop resilience. Every failure is an opportunity to learn, grow, and come back stronger. Embrace these challenges, persevere through the hardships, and let resilience be the foundation upon which you build your success. Cultivate a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the key that unlocks the doors to endless possibilities. Believe in your ability to learn, adapt, and improve. Embrace challenges as stepping stones towards personal and professional development. Cultivate curiosity, be open to new ideas, and never stop expanding your knowledge. With a growth mindset, you can conquer any obstacle and win the future. Foster innovation. Innovation is the lifeblood of progress. To win the future, we must foster a spirit of innovation within ourselves and our communities. Encourage creativity, think outside the box, and embrace a culture of continuous improvement. Embrace emerging technologies, seek novel solutions, and never shy away from disrupting the status quo. Remember, the future belongs to those who innovate. Build strong connections. No success is achieved in isolation. To win the future, we must build strong connections and foster meaningful relationships. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire and challenge you. Collaborate, share ideas, and leverage the collective intelligence of your network. Together, we can achieve far more than we ever could alone. Take action. All the knowledge, dreams, and aspirations mean nothing without action. To win the future, you must take bold and decisive action. Break free from the shackles of procrastination and doubt. Start today, take small steps, and keep moving forward. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Ladies and gentlemen, winning the future is not a mere desire, it is a conscious choice we make every day. It is the culmination of our efforts, our resilience, and our unwavering commitment to growth and excellence. Let us embark on this journey together, armed with determination, passion, and an unyielding belief in our own potential. The future is waiting for us to seize it, so let us rise above the challenges and win the future we deserve. Thank you.